Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. So here is why you should consider buying the Google Pixel 8 Pro. The new Google Pixel 8 Pro unboxing is also published before the official announcement. Considering that upon release, the new Google Pixel 8 Pro will competing with other flagships such as the iPhone 15 Pro Max. It will not be easy for it to attract attention. There have been a lot of leaks about Google Pixel 8 Pro, including from Google itself, but the wait won't be long. The Made by Google event is just around the corner. According to rumors, the new Google Pixel 8 Pro will be equipped with a more powerful Tensor G3 chipset, an updated 50 megapixel main camera capable of shooting 8K video, and a temperature sensor. Specs are always what impress consumers the most. But it looks like Google is banking on the Pixel 8 Pro software. According to all the rumors, the Google Pixel 8 Pro will retain the same 6.7 inches OLED panel as the Pixel 7 Pro. This time Google will have to work one of the main shortcomings of the Pixel 7 Pro display, its weak brightness. Luckily, it looks like this is exactly the problem the company is going to solve, as the Google Pixel 8 Pro will feature a Super Acto display that guarantees greater brightness. When testing the Google Pixel 7 Pro 6.7 inches QHD Plus OLED display, peak brightness was 927 nits, which was much lower than the competition. Rumors hint that this Acto display will have an HDR brightness of 1600 nits and a peak brightness of 2400 nits. However, the Google Pixel 8 Pro is expected to have a more powerful camera, a 50 megapixel main camera, a 48 megapixel ultra wide-angle lens, and a 48 megapixel telephoto lens. The new Google Pixel 8 Pro, which is expected to be powered by a more advanced Tensor G3 chipset, thanks to a massive spec leak. This was the deciding factor in the confirming the existence of the Tensor G3 chipset. The performance of this chip will be higher and will be powerful enough to introduce new features. The new Google Pixel 8 Pro is expected to feature a 4950 mAh battery. Android 14 also feature other improvements that will make the smartphone more energy efficient with a smaller battery capacity. On the other hand, the situation with wired and wireless charging of the Pixel 8 Pro does not look very favorable. According to reports, Google will use 30-watt fast battery charging via USB-C and 12.5 watts wireless charging speed. The official prices of the smartphone is not officially disclosed. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself. Well, peace.